Welcome to Review Lab. The best Modelones Dip Powder Nail Kit is probably one of the most versatile and user-friendly options available for achieving salon-quality manicures at home, offering a wide spectrum of vibrant colors and a durable, long-lasting finish that resists chipping and lifting, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts looking to elevate their at-home nail game with professional results and impressive longevity. Number 5. SAVILAND Dip Powder Nail Kit. Discover the ultimate at-home manicure experience with our comprehensive Dip Powder Nail Kit. It's everything you need to create stunning nails right from your home. Explore a dazzling collection of 30 beautiful colors, perfect for capturing the essence of spring and summer. You'll find the perfect shade for any mood or occasion. This starter set includes all the essentials: keratin-infused dip powders, dipping liquids, activator, base, and top coat. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. Achieve a flawless, durable finish that rivals professional salons. Our kit is designed for easy application, making DIY manicures simple and enjoyable. Complete your manicure with the included cuticle oil for added nourishment and protection. Keep your nails healthy and beautiful with every application. Surprise the nail art lover in your life with this all-in-one dip powder kit. It's the ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or just because. What we like. This kit offers a vibrant selection of 30 colors perfect for seasonal nail art. It even includes a nail drill for added versatility in shaping and finishing. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with tools for a complete at-home manicure, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including base coat, top coat, activator, and brush saver. The colors are beautiful and the powder applies smoothly, making it easy to achieve a salon-quality finish at home. The dip powder is long-lasting and chip-resistant, providing a durable manicure that can last for weeks. Number 4. SAVILAND 49 PCS Dip Nails Powder Starter Kit. Discover the ultimate dip powder kit from SAVILAND. It includes everything you need to create stunning nail art at home or in the salon. Explore a dazzling collection of 40 hot pink, red, nude, and glitter shades. These colors offer endless possibilities for your creative designs. This comprehensive set features all the essential liquid components: base coat, top coat, activator, and a brush saver. Achieve a flawless finish every time. Get salon-quality results with this easy-to-use kit. Perfect for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts looking for French nail art. This kit is your all-in-one solution for beautiful, long-lasting manicures. It includes all the necessary tools for a perfect application. Trust SAVILAND for high-quality nail products. This dip powder kit is designed to elevate your nail art game with ease and style. What we like. With an extensive 40 colors, including dazzling glitters, this set provides endless creative possibilities. It's designed for both DIY enthusiasts and salon professionals seeking a comprehensive collection. If you love variety and want salon-quality results at home, this comprehensive kit is ideal. What people say. The kit includes everything you need to get started, including base coat, top coat, activator, and a brush saver. The colors are vibrant and long-lasting, with a smooth application that doesn't chip easily. The dip powder creates a strong and durable nail, perfect for those who want to avoid damaging their natural nails. Number 3. SAVILAND Dip Powder Remover Kit. Introducing the SAVILAND Dip Powder Remover Kit, your professional solution for easy dip nail removal. Achieve salon-quality results right at home. Our gentle and safe formula ensures a comfortable experience without harsh chemicals. It effectively removes dipped nails while being kind to your skin. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need, such as cuticle oil and a nail file. You won't need any additional tools for a perfect finish. Forget about messy soaking or time-consuming wrapping. This innovative remover works quickly and efficiently, saving you valuable time. With 0.5 fluid ounces of product, it's perfectly sized for convenient home use. Enjoy hassle-free dip nail removal whenever you desire. Get professional-looking results without leaving your house. This kit makes dip nail removal simple and effective for everyone. What we like. This remover is designed for a gentle and safe dip powder removal experience. The innovative no-soaking or wrapping method saves time and reduces potential nail damage. If you prioritize ease of use and gentle care for your nails after a dip manicure, this remover kit is perfect for you. What people say. The colors are very pigmented and apply smoothly. The kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a base coat, top coat, and activator. The dip powder lasts for weeks without chipping or peeling. Number 2. SAVILAND Dip Powder Liquid Set. Discover the ultimate solution for your nail art needs. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for a flawless dip powder manicure at home or in the salon. Unbox a complete 4-piece liquid set designed for convenience and professional results. It includes all the essential components for a perfect application. Enjoy a healthier nail experience with our HEMA-free formula. This ensures safety and comfort while achieving stunning, long-lasting results. This set features a high-quality base coat, a fast-acting activator, a brilliant top coat, and a brush saver to maintain your tools. Everything you need is right here. Each bottle contains 15 milliliters, 0.5 FL of product, offering ample supply for multiple applications. Get salon-quality results that last. Achieve professional-looking dip nails with ease using this essential dipping system. It's designed for both beginners and experienced users alike. Bring the salon experience to your home with this easy-to-use kit. Create beautiful, durable nail art designs whenever you desire. What we like. This set features a HEMA-free formula, making it a safer option for those with sensitivities. It includes all 4 essential liquids needed for the dip powder system. If you're concerned about ingredients or want a reliable set of liquids for a smooth dip powder application without UV LED curing, this is a great pick. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the kit comes with everything you need to get started. I love how easy this dip powder is to use. It applies smoothly and evenly, and the finish is gorgeous. This kit is a great value for the money. You get a lot of product for the price, and it lasts a long time. Number 1. SAVILAND Dip Powder Liquid Set. Discover the revolutionary dip powder liquid set from SAVILAND. Achieve salon-quality nails right at home with this comprehensive kit. Our formula is HEMA-free, ensuring a safer and more comfortable experience for your nails. Enjoy beautiful results without compromising on health. This all-in-one set includes everything you need, from base and top coats to activator and a brush saver. It's perfect for creating stunning manicures without the need for curing lamps. Experience vibrant, long-lasting color that resists chipping and fading. Get a flawless finish that stays beautiful for weeks. Elevate your nail game with professional-grade products designed for easy at-home use. Achieve the perfect dip powder manicure every time. Say goodbye to UV lamps. Our dip powder system air dries quickly, making your DIY nail process faster and more convenient than ever before. What we like. This extensive set provides 10 bottles of dip powder liquids, ensuring you're always stocked. The HEMA-free formulation prioritizes nail health and safety. If you're a frequent user of dip powder or a salon owner who needs a bulk supply of high-quality, safe liquids, this set offers excellent value and convenience. What people say. The colors are beautiful and the kit includes everything you need to get started. The powder is finely milled and applies smoothly, creating a salon-quality finish. The kit comes with a variety of colors, so you can easily switch up your nail look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.